Okay, this is problem 711B. Now on this one I'm going to break it up where I've got this little quarter quadrant here, or this one quadrant, and then I'm going to break it right down through here. Okay, so note that overall this distance from the y-axis is going to be, what, 6 inches? If that matters. And the overall height should be 4.5, won't it? Okay, just in case. So the area of 1, and let's see, we'll make this full square, the whole square is going to be 1. 2 will be this triangular shape, and then we're going to cut back out this this quarter of this one quadrant here. So area of 1 is going to be the base times the height, and that's going to be 4 on the base times 4.5 on the height. That should give you 18 square inches. Area of 2 is going to be the base times the height divided by 2. So the base is going to be 2 times the height, which is 4.5, divided by 2, and that nets you 4.5 square inches. Area of 3 is going to be pi times the diameter, which would be 4 squared divided by 16. And that's going to net you a negative 3.14 square inches. X1, x's are coming off the y-axis, and that's 4 divided by 2. It's the base divided by 2. So that's 2 inches. X2, it's going to be, you have to add 4 plus, so 4 gets you over to this corner, and then a third of, what was that, 2 inches? A third of 2, so that would be 2/3. So that's 4.67, I believe, inches. X3 is going to be, it's actually based on the chart we gave you, 0.425 times the radius, which the radius is 2. Excuse me, and that's 0.85 inches. Okay, let's look at Y1. So again, this is coming, Y is coming off of the x-axis. So the first one will be 4.5 divided by 2, and that should leave you with 2.25. Sorry, inches. Y2 is going to be 1/3 of 4.5. So 1/3 times the height, and that leaves you with 1.5 inches. Y3 is going to be the same, 0.425 times the radius, which was 2, and that's going to be 0.85 inches. So X bar is going to be, and again, that's the X value to locate the center of gravity. So that's 18 square inches times 2 inches plus 4.5 inches, square inches, excuse me, times 4.6 inches, 4.67, minus 3.14, the area of that quadrant, times 0.85, divided by the summation of the areas. So you get 18 plus 4.5 minus 3.14. Do the math on that, and you end up with, on the numerator, 54.35. More importantly, probably on the denominator, you end up with 19.36. You'll need that area down on the next one. Do the math on that, you end up with 2.81 inches for X bar. Y bar, 18 stays there, and we multiply that by 2.25, which is Y1, plus 4.5 times 1.5, which is Y2, minus 3.14 times 0.85 divided by 19.36. Do the math on that, and you end up with 44.58 in the numerator and 19.36 the denominator, and you end up with 2.30 inches for Y bar. So that's a solution for 711B.